Good morning children, welcome to our science session. Now I am going to go to class lesson. Lesson is the plants around us. What is the lesson is? Plants around us. Yes, in our surrounding areas we have to planting more trees and plants. They have to give into the very precious thing, that is oxygen. They have to release the oxygen, they have to take in carbon dioxide, and they have to give in such type of fruits and vegetables. And the trees, wood is we have to take plywood, and that wood we have to make different kinds of furnitures to our household things. These are the some uses are there in our some uses of trees and plants. We have to give the food, proper food. What is the food we have to give in? We have to regular watering to the plants. Then they have to go to grow properly. In that, when we are pouring the waters take as roots from that minerals and solids. From the roots the plants will take, and the leaf prepare the food. What is the plants need? The food, the leaves of plant prepare. That's why we can call to that kitchen of the plant. Which part? The the leaves. Then we can call the food kitchen of the plant. Then what is the parts of a plant? The parts of a plant, they have different kinds of parts like roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, and bark also. The woody stem is called bark. The woody stem is called bark. Yes. Now we have to know, in that last session we have to know about that different kinds of different shapes of leaves. In this session we have to learn about the leaf. What is that leaf? Leaves grow on stems. Leaves eterontile, stems laterontile. They are of different shapes and sizes and colors in different plants. They have to different sizes, different shapes. Some leaves are round in shape, some leaves are long, some leaves are short, some leaves edges are sharp, some leaves edges are nice. That is different colors, some yellowish color, reddish color, green in color, light green in color. Different kinds of leaves are there in the different types of plants. And we have to learn about that function of a leaves. Function of a leaves. What is that? The sunlight gives light and heat to the plant. And green leaves prepare food by the using this energy of the sun along the air and water. Leaves are known as the kitchen or food factory of a plant. This is some functions of a leaf. Just we have to learn different functions in our lesson. Leaves grow on stems. They are different shapes and sizes and colors in the different plants. Mostly leaves appear green due to the presence of a green color that is called pigment. What is that? The green in color is called pigment, or called chlorophyll. In the pigment is called chlorophyll. Leaves are important as they manufacture food for the plants. Yes, leaves are the very most important to the plants because of they have to prepare the food for the plant. In the plants, leaves have pigmentation that in green in color. The green in color is called chlorophyll. The functions of your leaves. Functions of your leaves as follows. Sun gives light and heat energy. Green leaves prepare food by the sun using this energy. Sun along with the air and water. Therefore, they are known as the kitchen or food factory of a plant. Man and other animals get the necessary energy by eating the plant products, and their energy is obedient from the sun. Where they have to get the energy from the plants? Leaves, how can they get the energy? From the sunlight, light and heat. What is the sunlight giving? Heat and light. They have to preparing food. They have to take the energy from the sunlight. The chlorophyll presence on leaves traps sunlight. Leaves get water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. Yes. The chlorophyll in the presence in the green in color chlorophyll. That chlorophyll trapped to the sunlight. When the fall in the leaves on surface of the leaf, the sunlight the leaves attract the sunlight, and the leaves get water. How can the get from water? The leaves get from water to the soil when we are pouring daily, and they take carbon dioxide from the air. How can that? They get air, carbon dioxide, and water they get from the soil, and they get heat and sunlight from the sun, and they use carbon dioxide and water trapped to sunlight make the food. These three things using for that making food for a plant. What is that? Sunlight, air, water. The leaves can prepare the food for the plants. With the help of sunlight, air, water, the plants of leaves can prepare the food for the plant. And that they use carbon dioxide, water and trapped sunlight to make food. This process is called photosynthesis. What is the process is called? The name is photosynthesis. What is that? Chlorophyll. Leaves get water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. They carbon dioxide, water and trapped to sunlight to make food. This process is called photosynthesis. What is the photosynthesis? That the use of carbon dioxide, water from the soil and trapped to the sunlight, the leaf can prepare the food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis. Yes, leaves help the plants to breathe. Yes, leaves can help to the plants to breathe. And leaves on certain plants such as cabbage, spinach and coriander, stored food, and we eat these as vegetables. Yes, the leaves vegetables, what is that? Cabbage, spinach, coriander, mint, garden leaves. We have to take as a vegetables. Yes or no? Some I will show to you leaves, some different kinds of leaves. See, this is banana leaf, that is big in size. Peepal leaf, round in shape. Mango leaf and papaya leaf. Mango leaf have long, papaya leaf have different types of shape. And one more thing is there, that is pigment is there. Pigment is that a substance that gives something a particular color when it added into it. Pigment is a substance that gives something a particular color when it added into it. When it added into it, that is called pigmentation. What is the pigmentation? Mostly leaves appear green due to the presence of a green color, that is called pigmentation. The pigmentation is called chlorophyll. And next one, flowers, fruits and seeds. Flowers, fruits and seeds. Yes, plants are very useful to us. Yes, plants are very useful to us. We get various types of fruits and vegetables, nuts from the plants. We have to getting fruits, flowers, vegetables and nuts from the plants. Mostly flowers change into fruits. Yes, most of the flowers change into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. Yes, fruits have seeds inside them. These seeds grow into new plants. Yes, these seeds can grow into new plants. When we take out the seeds from the inside of the fruit, we have to separate the seeds and we have to put in the soil. That seeds can make new plants to grow. New plants to grow. Yes, most flowers change into fruit. Fruits have seeds inside them. These seeds grow into new plants. And that flowers. What is that? Flowers. Next is that flowers. Flowers are most attractive part of a plant. Yes, flowers are most attractive parts of a plant. They grow from small buds present on the stem, and they vary in shape, size, color and fragrance. Yes, that most important, most beautiful part of the plant is that flower. Yes, every plant have fruits and as well as flowers. That is most beautiful part of a plant is that attractive plant part of a part is that flower. Yes, most flowers change into fruits. and that the birds in small beside the stems, and they are very different shapes and sizes and different colors, and they have to giving different kinds of fragrance ante manchi suvasana. Their smell makes the air pleasant. We feel cheerful to see different kinds of flowers near our home, school, and along the road. Flowers are used to decorate houses and temples. They are also used while praying. Yes. What is that? Their flowers smell make us air pleasant. Yes, that flowers are fragrance change into air to pleasant, and we feel cheerful to see different kinds of flowers. And when we see so many flowers in one place, we have to feel very happy, cheerful and pleasant. And that such as near our homes, we have to keep in our balcony gardens. When we wearing the flowers, we have to see too happy, because they have to different colors and different shapes. They have to giving different kinds of fragrance. Then in that near our homes, schools, along the roads, yes, we have to see different types of flowers, flowering plants. Flowers are used to decorating houses. Yes, when we have festivals, when we have puja, vratas in our homes, we have to decorate our house with the flowers. We have to decorate our devotional place, gods, to decorate to the flowers. It is see too happy to decorate our homes with the flowers. And we have to decorate our and temples also. When the festivals time, we have to decorate with the flowers with the temples. And they also used while praying. Yes, we have to use into keeping the flowers to the God while we are to pray to the God. We have to take into the flowers when we want to go temples, and we have to do puja in our homes. We have to bring to our homes to flowers, because we have to pray to the God with the flowers. See, I will show some pictures to you. This is fruits and vegetables, because flowers change into, most of the flowers change into fruits and vegetables. Here some rose flower is there. Flowers grow from the small buds on the stem. See, this is the small bud, and this is changed into that flower. See, answer in one word is there in here. Down checkpoint is 47 page number. Answer in one word. The part of a plant grows above the soil is called stem. The main part of the shoot is that stem. The food factory of a plant, leaf. The green color pigment in leaves are called food factory or chlorophyll. The part of a plant that change into a fruit, what is the part? Flower. First one stem, second one bark or stem, third one chlorophyll, leaves, third one leaves, fourth one green color pigment in leaves, chlorophyll, fifth one flowers. This is that answer in one word. Page number 47 you should complete, and we have to discuss next class to that these flowers, whatever the flowers they are giving, what is the functions, what is the livelihood, how the flowers change into the fruits. In the next session we have to discuss. Thank you.